Aisha Tariq here and welcome to our second class of Java tutorial. In this tutorial you're gonna learn how to run a Java program, and I am not going to teach you the syntax for the Java program in this tutorial but how to run it. So go to the C drive and create a folder. I'm naming it as Java programs. In this folder I am going to save all my Java programs. Now close this folder, and first of all you have to open any editor for writing the program, and here I am using Notepad++. Now go to File, Save As, and you just have to save this file in the folder that you just created. C drive, Java programs, and name your file as I am naming it my first program. The extension should be .java as this is a Java program. So you see you have a file named myfirstprogram.java. So the first thing you need to write in this file is the class. It should be noted here that in Java everything begins with the class. So to do something in Java, class is the first and the foremost thing to create. Class, and now you have to name your class. I am naming it as hello and braces. Press the enter key. Now in the class you will have a method. So why these things are being done, you don't have to worry about that. You just have to follow my instructions to run a program. So in the class you will have a method in which you can do a number of things. So first method should be the main method, as when a Java program is run your computer first looks for the main method. So to create a main method you just have to write public static void main and parenthesis string args empty square brackets and parenthesis close. Here is the body of the method. So press the enter key, and now in this method you will have all the statements and instructions that your computer will do. So I want to display a message, so I will write a printing statement, that is system.out.println, and in the parameters you're gonna write the message that you want to display. I am writing hello world parenthesis close semicolon and end. Now save this file, minimize and open cmd, that is Chrome command prompt. Press the enter key. Computer, it should be noted here that computer cannot read Java, but it can only read .class. So what the compiler, first of all you have to compile the program before running it. So for compiling the program you have to write cd \. Now you have reached at the beginning of the C drive. Now here, as the goal is to reach to the Java programs folder that we created, and in that folder we saved our file. So here you have to write dir to check what are the directories in your folder. So you see here you have Java programs. Now I have to change the directory to Java programs. Now you are in the directory Java programs. So I wanna see what's in the Java program. I will be typing dir, pressing the enter key. Now you see you have the file that you just saved, myfirstprogram.java. As I told you earlier that computer cannot understand .java, it can only understand .class. So we have to compile it, and what the compiler will do, compiler will convert the .java into .class. So for compiling you have to write java c, means Java compiler, the name of your program with the extension of Java. Press the enter key, and now you have converted your .java into .class. So type dir to check what is in your Java programs. Now you see you have hello.class. Now I can run the program by just writing Java and the name of class hello. Press the enter key, and now you have the output, that is the message is displayed hello world. So I hope you now can run a program and don't worry about the syntax. Just copy a hello world program from internet and run it. The syntax of program will be taught in the next tutorials. And thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys can now run a Java program. Thank you.